Bismillah ar-Rahman Rahim. Next one, after access finance charges, receive payments. What is the purpose of receive payment? Receive payment is used for the purpose of receiving cash from the customers. We sold something for the customers, we penalize the customers. Now it is time to receive from customers. It means if already you sold something on credit basis or so on, now it is the time to receive from the customers. If you want to receive from the customers, then collect on receive payments. Right? Collect on receive payment. When you collect on the receive payment, the first thing here is you have to select the customer. From which customer you want to receive. Let us say if you want to receive from Abdul Latif. If you want to receive from Abdul Latif, these are the invoices or the bills which are available for Mr. Latif. Do you want to which one? If you want to receive all of them, then select all right. Collect all of these. Let us say, for example, we have selected all of these. Select all. How much is the total amount that we have to receive from Abdul Latif? This is the amount. Amount is equal to how much? 3,42,000, something like that, right? Then, which type of payment is this? Abdul Latif pay through cash? Abdul Latif pay through check? Abdul Latif pay through something else? If you collect check, then you have to mention the check number. If you select cash, then you have to mention the reference number. Let us say we want to select, for example, cash, right? If you want to say cash, check, then you have to mention the check number, right? So then this is the amount that you have to receive from Mr. Abdul Latif. If this customer already has, for example, some credit available or some discount available, you can click on this one, it can show it. Discount, there is no for this customer, and credit also, there is no available for this customer. Click on this one to receive the payments. Now one payment is received. If you want to receive more payments, click on the other, then click on the customer. For example, let us say Khalid Khan. We want to receive this to bill, right? So we want to receive through check and receive payment, right? Once again, click on the customer, go for access finance charge. Make a charge for this customer, for example. Make access finance charge for this customer. How much is the access finance charge? 18,000, right? Access finance charge. I forgot the name of this customer. Whatever is the name, but come to access finance charge. What's the name of the customer? I forgot it, right? Leave it. Now come to the customer, receive payment. Yes. Select name, for example, let us say Khatra. Khatra, yeah, I think that was Khatra. So see, one invoice is created because of FC. If among the bills or among the invoice, one of the invoices was the name of FC, it means this invoice is for finance charge, right? So now you can receive from Khatra, for example, how much is the amount, whether she is paying through cash, she is paying through check, and so on, right? If there is any discount for her, you can select discount as well, but there is no discount, so you can click OK, receive the payment. So this was the purpose of the receive